Good morning to all of you, class 9. Once again, we have to study about the Green Revolution in India. The Nobel laureate American scientist Dr. Annie Borlaug was the person behind triple dwarf Mexican wheat varieties. As usual, the bumper increase in the food grain, especially in wheat crops during 1970s. In our country, in India, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan was called as the father of Green Revolution in India. Green Revolution has made our country self-sufficient in food, increased the buffer stock of food grains. हरित क्रांति भारत को भोज्य पदार्थों के क्षेत्र में आत्मनिर्भर बनाया है और बड़ी संख्या में हमें अनाज का उत्पादन हो रहा है बड़ी मात्रा में। अभी आप देख लीजिए आप कि मैच्योरिटी इन ड्यूरेशन मतलब चेंजेज इन मैच्योरिटी ड्यूरेशन कुछ जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मैंने आपको बताया था हायर क्रॉप यील्ड्स में चेंजेज इन मैच्योरिटी ड्यूरेशन changes in some of the short duration crops. Early maturity varieties can make up the crop double. Crop production double. Uniformly maturity will make the harvesting process easy. समय पर मान लो कि इसका उत्पादन पक गया फसल तो उसको काटने में भी सुविधा होता है ये और उसमें आपको लॉस ऑफ प्रोड्यूस ड्यूरिंग हार्वेस्टिंग मतलब इसमें बहुत कम होता है लॉस नुकसान कम होता है। फोटो इंटेंसिटी एंड थर्मो इंटेंसिटी 5th पार्ट है इसका। नाम से ही वाकिफ है फोटो मतलब प्रकाश और थर्मो का मतलब हीट। तो क्या है मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स आर सेंसिटिव टू सर्टेन अबायोटिक फैक्टर्स। are sensitive abiotic factors. और बायोटिक फैक्टर में वही लाइट आ गया, टेम्परेचर आ गया। Development of photo-intensive and thermo-intensive crop varieties will help in crossing cultivation boundaries. Those plants which develop in light quickly and absorb heat will help in crossing in cross breeding. Of new plants. HYV of wheat high yield variety of wheat. दूसरा हुआ MACS मैक्स 2469। ये सब कुछ बीज के प्रकार हैं एंड कैन टॉलरेट हाई टेम्परेचर। इसका सीधा मतलब हुआ कि ये गर्म प्रदेशों में आसानी से उगाया जा सकता है। दूसरा छठा पोर्शन है डिजायरेबल एग्रोनॉमिक ट्रेड्स। मतलब अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार गुण वाले क्रॉप्स को प्रोड्यूस करना। If we develop those varieties of crops which contain desirable economic traits, if we develop the cross breeding of desirable crop agronomic traits will help us in sufficient amount of production. There are so many varieties of sugar cane. Variety of sugar cane CO975. 975 and CO 62,399. These are desirable traits of a specific type of agriculture. चलिए नेक्स्ट में बड़े पैमाने पर अपनाया जाने वाला पौधे का प्रकार। If we develop those varieties of crops which have wider adaptability, then it will help in you can say stabilizing the crop production under different environmental conditions. In different environmental conditions. For example, 1CPH8 is an example of such crops. It is a hybrid of pigeon pea plant. उड़द का दाल का ये है 1CPH8 short duration to mature, which takes ये कुछ हाई मॉइस्चर्स में भी आपको सही से इसका उत्पादन हो जाएगा, जिसको हम लोग उड़द का दाल कहते हैं। अब थोड़ा सा मैकेनिज़्म पर चर्चा कर लेते हैं, कौन कौन से मैकेनिज़म्स हैं जिसका कि इसको हम लोग चर्चा कर लें। क्रॉप वैरायटी इन्वायरमेंट इज अ मैनिपुलेशन ऑफ क्रॉप प्लांट्स फॉर इंक्रीजिंग देयर यील्ड, improving quality, suitability to varied conditions, and resistance to biotic and abiotic stresses. Genetic manipulation is incorporation of new genes for various traits from other genotypes into the crop variety so as to bring about desired changes. It is carried out through hybridization, mutation, breeding, polyploidy, and DNA recombination technology. So when we talk about the technology, it means we have different types of technology in our country. Now in agriculture system, mechanism has improved a special type of artificial selection spanning of several generations of organisms concerned. So let's we have a look what is technique or plant breeding methods is called techniques. Mechanism is concerned. To improve the better quality and best and much quantity, there are several types of techniques have been adapted by our peasants, by our agriculture scientists, such as hybridization, mutation, breeding, polyploidy, and DNA recombination technology. Recombination technology. These are some mechanisms on which we adopt a lot of production in different plants. So plant breeding means production of new varieties, as we know, or strains by a program of artificial selection spanning several generations of the organism concerned. Plant breeding is a science as well as art of improving genetic makeup of plant in relation to their economic use. Various approaches which are used to generate mechanism we are talking. Various process which are used for genetic improvement improvement in the production of crop plants are called the mechanism. Okay. Now, genetic improvement of various crop plants has been done by the adopting of three steps: introduction, selection, and hybridization. Introduction, selection, and hybridization. Introduction, selection, and hybridization. These are the three. In the next class, we will discuss more details from here.